Hi friends, welcome to Intermediate Python Programming Tutorial by Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. This is first video in the Intermediate Python Programming Tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about two methods. They are, see the agenda. The two methods are join method and split method. You need Python setup to practice whatever we discuss in this tutorial. You have to practice to learn Python programming or any programming. You have to practice to learn programming. In our Codewell YouTube channel, I already made a video on how to set up Python on a Windows machine. For operating systems like Mac, almost it takes similar steps. I will provide the link of that video in the description and above icon. Please check it out. And this is Sublime Text, one of the best text editor. I will provide link of Python official website and Sublime Text official website link in the description below to download and install Python and Sublime Text. Once you install Python and Sublime Text or any editor, you are good to go. Before getting to the topic, a request for you friends. If you are first time visiting my channel and want to learn Python programming language, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. Join method. As the name suggests, it joins two strings. To concatenate two strings, generally we do like this. See here. For example, I have a string name 1 with name Umar, okay, and the name 2 name Basha. We use this plus operator, so name 1 plus name 2, right? I run the code. See here, Umar Basha is printed. But now I will tell you one alternate way. See here, for the same example, I remove this space dot join and brackets, and here name 1 comma name 2. I change the names. The second name is Stark. I'll make this Tony Stark. MCU fans are familiar with this name, Tony Stark, Iron Man name. I think many of us know this name. Now I run the code. See here, Tony Stark is printed. Using this method, this join method, we can concatenate as many strings as we want. For example, if we take name 3, for example, some name like yeah, like this. Okay, if I give this here name 3, I run this code. See here, A is printed. See the syntax of this join method? str.join, and in the round brackets we have to give iter. str is a string and this iter is a iterable. I'll explain this with examples. They have, for example, I have a list L1 with values like morning and afternoon and night, and I want my output as good morning, good afternoon, and good night. So to do that, I want to make good as a prefix for all these words, right? So I will make this by using this join method. So for that I take for word in, I take a variable message. My variable name is message and dot join and in the brackets good comma, and I print this message msg. Okay, on my code. Sorry, I forgot to give double quotes. Double quotes or single quotes here. It's good is a string here, string, right? So we have to give quotes here. Sorry, that's my mistake. Now I run this code again. See here, good morning, good afternoon, good night are printed. See this case, our string. See the syntax here. Here, see this str.join and in the round brackets iterable. In this case, iterable is good and this word. This word is every word in this list. Okay. In this case, this str is empty. We take as empty string as our str. Okay. For example, I have a tuple with values a, b, c. See here, I'll show you with example. For example, I have a tuple t1 and I have values like a, comma, b, comma, c, comma, d. These are my values, and I want my output like this. A star B star C star D like this. I want output like this. Now we have to use our str as star, this asterisk symbol. See here, I'll show you. Print. Okay. And in the place of str, I give asterisk this star and join. Now I'll give T1. Okay, that's it. I run the code. See, our output is ready. A star, B star, C star, D. In this case, our iter is T1, that is a tuple. Now, another example. This case, I take a list L1 with values like now country names: India, Japan, and Russia. These are country names. And I want to join all the names in the list like this: India plus Japan plus Russia. I want my output like this. See here, I'll do this by using this join method. Print and str is plus dot join and simply give the iter, that is list L1. Run the code. See here, India plus Japan plus Russia is printed. In this case, our iter is a list, right? What if this is a dictionary? Dictionary have keys and values. If you want to know more about dictionaries, in our Codewell YouTube channel, I made a video on dictionaries. The link is available in description and above icon. Please check it out. For example, see here, my dictionary, my dict, here name and value for this name key is basha, and my channel name channel, and value for this is code word and programming, and value for this key is, now we are discussing Python, right? Python. Okay, this is my dictionary, and if I perform join method on this, I'll take a variable x is equal to, I'll give hash this symbol as str string, okay, dot join, and I'll give this my dict as it is a table, and I'll print this variable print x. See here, I run the code. See here, name slash journal slash programming. When using a dictionary as an iter, the return values are the keys, not the values. So if you want values, not these keys, give like this dot values. That's it. Run the see here, values are printed. Basha code word Python. This is join method. Finally, split method. As the name suggests, it separates two strings. For example, text. This is a string, and here welcome to code word YouTube channel. This is my text, and I want to split this string into words. So I use this split method, like a variable. Yes, result is equal to text dot split. That's it. I'll print this result. Print. Oh yes. And my code. See here. This is a list with all the words in the string. The split method. See the syntax? String dot split, and in the one brackets we have to give separator and max split. This separator and max split are optional. The separator specifies the separator to use when we have to split the string, when the split operation performed on the string. By default, the separator is space, and next max split. This is also optional. How many times the split operation have to perform on this given string. By default, this max split value is -1. I will explain all this with examples. For the same example, for the same text, welcome to Codewell YouTube channel. I'll change this text slightly. For example, I'll give comma here, and now here I'll specify the separator as comma. So when they encounter this comma, till that it treat as one word. So when welcome word is completed, this comma is here. So Python treat this welcome as one word. For example, if we give this comma here, Python does WLCOM. This is a one word. Now I'm going to code to show that. See here, WLCOM. Python treat this is a one word, and ETO. This is one word. Okay, I'll remove this. If I give max split as 2, now my code. See here, the split operation is performed only 2 times. Welcome to our splitted. The remaining is same here. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.